Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. This is Hop Hop the owl's home. Peck Peck came to visit Hop Hop. He's waving his wing. Hi! Go find Hop Hop. He's hiding. Oh! Pillow fight! A dangerous game. Oh, be careful, birdies! The pillows hit the tower. A cup from the toy tower. Another cup. Oh! To make a tower, you need to put the open side over the closed side. Like this. Where are some other cups? What's that noise? Peck Peck the Woodpecker is making bean soup. Bon appetit! Birdies, put the beans back in the jar. We need to build the tower. 3, 2, 1, launch! Three, 2, 1, launch! Now all the cups are on the floor. Peck Peck, put the green cup on the tower. Hop Hop, find the yellow cup. Is that yellow? No. This is the yellow cup. Green, yellow, orange. How many levels is our tower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, Hop Hop. But there should be 6. Where's one more cup? There it is. It's done. The birdies have built a tower of cups. Tower!
should play again.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. It's raining outside. Who's that looking out of the window? Can you see? Hello, Hop Hop. Look! There are drops of water falling from the sky. The sky is dark, dark gray. But Peck Peck isn't afraid of the rain. He's gone for a walk with his umbrella. How beautiful! The rain clouds are parting and the sky has turned blue. The shower is over. Peck Peck, you can close your umbrella. Oh! Peck Peck has seen some ripe raspberries. Why don't you pick them? You can't carry many on your wing. Whoop, you dropped one. The ant can have that one.
Hello!
Hop Hop has brought an umbrella. If he opens the umbrella and turns it over, it turns into a basket for raspberries. What a lot of tasty, healthy berries! You can take them home, wash them, and eat them. Peck Peck, those are your footprints.
Oh! Dirty!
Now the owl and the woodpecker have to wash their feet after walking on the wet grass. Great job, little birds! Now they need to wipe their feet. The umbrella full of raspberries won't fit through the door. The umbrella is wide, but the door is narrow. Why don't you tip the berries into a bowl? Where do you keep your bowls, Hop Hop? Here's one. Carefully tip the umbrella and pour the raspberries into the bowl. Hold the bowl, Peck Peck. Peck Peck is wiping his feet, too.
Wash the raspberries!
Pour the extra water out of the bowl. Put the raspberries on the table. Don't forget to wash your wings, little birds. Well done, you two! Have a nice meal.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. This is the house where Peck Peck the Woodpecker lives. Hello, Peck Peck. Oh, the ball has bounced away. Splish splosh into the puddle. Peck Peck has gone in after the ball. He's got all muddy. And now another puddle. Can you see? Peck Peck has muddy stains on his tummy. Oh, look! And on his head, too.
Hi there.
Hi there, Hop Hop. Look how dirty Peck Peck is.
Uh-oh. Time to have a wash.
The little owl is filling the paddling pool with water, so Peck Peck can have a wash.
Jump in.
Peck Peck likes having a wash.
Hey, hey.
Hop Hop is playing hide and seek with his friend. But what's this? What's in those bottles?
Soap.
Of course! To wash away the dirt, you need soap. Lots of soap. Look! What's that?
Foam.
More and more foam. Little cups. What do you need them for? The little owl is going to wash the woodpecker's wing. Hop Hop is using more and more soap on Peck Peck. More and more and more.
Like that.
And now he's washing off the foam with water from the cup. His wing is clean. Peck Peck is happy, but there's still some mud left.
Now for your head.
For some reason, the woodpecker doesn't want to wash his head. What a beautiful bottle! That's shampoo. You use it to wash your head. Hop Hop is taking some shampoo, and he's making a ball out of foam. Have a sniff and see how nice it smells. Nice, isn't it? Peck Peck is ready to wash his head.
Hey.
Rub, rub, rub. There's lots of foam on his head now. The woodpecker is washing his own head. It's so much fun. Peck Peck has got an orange hat made of foam on his head. But where has Hop Hop gone? Hop Hop! You've brought a watering can. You need to wash away the soapy foam off of his head. What's wrong? Are you scared? Wait a moment. Put on this visor, like a hat. Peck Peck looks like a little flower. No more water is going to get into his eyes, and now he really likes washing his head. You're all clean, Peck Peck. Now they can play with the foam. Hop Hop has made a big blue ball of foam. Goodbye, clean little birds.